I made some wheels, some adjustment legs for my Voron. I assumed like anything I could do to help my bed level itself would obviously help. Here's the assembly. So this is what both pieces look like. Pretty easy to make. This part here just screws into the normal feet. I have a set here. I made these ones out of PLA, and they're a little bit weak. So this one's out of ASA. It's a lot stronger. So I'm gonna build 3 more of these, and then I'll replace those guys. But they work really well. So right now I've just got them right here. I just did my sliced plate. We're looking at 250 grams and around 11 hours of print time. So printer is just right now warmed up. My heater, my bed's at 110. I'm just about to upload and print. Just running around with the first grim. After 11 hours, finally finished. So the old feet just screwed in right here. So it only gave you like what, maybe 3/4 of an inch to your table. And I had issues with this being in front of the printer and allowing the door to open. This will face to the Voron leg attachment, right? So this side goes right to there. This side has a little bit of a recess in there, and what we do with that is that's where the screw will slide in and only allow maybe 1/4 inch of thread to go. So if you have too much thread, it'll actually hit this wheel and it'll break that off. So really all we're doing is putting it right back in the same spot that the old ones were. Snug them up a little bit, and then once you got them snug, just make sure you can move this wheel. Make sure your printer's off, obviously. So real easy to assemble. So this will give us like a 2-3 inch lift almost, depending how drastic you need to go. But really, we just screw them on like so. Level my table. Just turned it on. What we'll do, since I was playing with those wheels, this is definitely a little bit wacky here, but let's do a whole mall. See how crazy it looks. Pretty out of square right now. Okay, and then okay, so we just did a whole mall. Now we're going to do a quad gantry level. So let's see how bad this is. Out of 5. 2, 1, 1, 1. Right there is not very good. 152, 152, 152. Now that's what you want to see. Let's see. See, I had a retry and it was still happy. Let's see if we can see both here. That's nice. That's really good. 0.005. Tolerance is 0.007. Like that's excellent. All right, thanks guys.